So I'm going to open my new memory on camera because yesterday when my old memory arrived, or yesterday when my memory arrived, it was a block of wood. 2 blocks of wood, in fact. And while the wood is really useful, I'm sure, it's not really what I wanted. So instead I'm going to open this on camera so that if it turns out to be more wood, I've got evidence that it's not me doing it. Now obviously all they've done, and Amazon have been really good because they've just sent out the new memory, all they've done is gone to the same shelf where the other memory was, pulled off another couple of memories packs and stuck them in an envelope. So there's a reasonable possibility that this is also wood. Let's have a look. So like the old memory, it's plastic sealed. So I'm just going to weigh it. I think this is wood as well. That's absolutely solid. Oh, fuck it. So, time for the magic. So again, plastic seal all the way around. More wood. I don't know what to say. Balls.